Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can delete picture we have uploaded to our Pinterest. Okay, first of all, we can open our Pinterest application on our phone and we can go to the saved section right here and select a picture you would like to delete from your Pinterest profile or Pinterest account. And I'm gonna go with this picture. We can tap on the picture and tap on this three dots button, and here we can select edit. Okay, and if you want to delete your picture, you can simply tap on this icon, and then you will get this question and you can tap on delete. Okay, and now the picture has been deleted, and that's how we can delete a picture we have uploaded to our Pinterest. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.